This is a pillow. هذه وسادة. This is a colorful pillow. هذه وسادة ملونة. This is a comfortable pillow. هذه وسادة مريحة. This is a phone. هذا جوال. This is a new phone. هذا جوال جديد. This is a white phone. هذا جوال أبيض. Boy ولد. Good boy ولد جيد. Girl بنت. Beautiful girl بنت جميلة. Doctor طبيب. Expert doctor طبيب ماهر. Female doctor طبيبة. Expert female doctor طبيبة ماهرة. As you know, the words good, beautiful, expert are adjectives of English. You might have guessed the word جيد, جميلة, ماهر, ماهرة are adjectives of Arabic. Dear Arabic learners, in this video we are gonna learn the use of adjective in Arabic. Well, for better understanding, let's look at some Arabic adjectives with their meaning. جديد جديدة new. قديم قديمة old. كبير كبيرة big. صغير صغيرة small. جيد جيدة good. In English, the adjective comes before the noun, like good boy, beautiful girl, expert doctor. On the other hand, in Arabic, the adjective comes after the noun. ولد جيد. ولد جيد after the noun. بنت جميلة. بنت جميلة after the noun. Let's have some more example. This is a boy. هذا ولد. This is a good boy. هذا ولد جيد. That is a girl. تلك بنت. That is a beautiful girl. تلك بنت جميلة. Well, one more important thing that I want to draw your attention to is the adjective of masculine word is masculine and the adjective of feminine word is feminine. You might have noticed when I gave examples. ولد جيد, good boy. بنت جيدة, good girl. ولد جميل, smart boy. بنت جميلة, beautiful girl. Okay, let's have some more example for better understanding. This is a small house. هذا بيت صغير. That is a big room. تلك غرفة كبيرة. غرفة وحجرة. Room has two words in Arabic, غرفة or حجرة. So, that is a big or large room. تلك غرفة كبيرة or تلك حجرة كبيرة. This is a new book. هذا كتاب جديد. That is an old pen. ذلك قلم قديم. I am a new boy. أنا ولد جديد. You are a smart boy. أنت ولد جميل. You are a good boy. أنت ولد جيد. Okay, dear learners, let's keep practicing the adjectives of Arabic and sharpen your Arabic spoken skills.